roll onto this right glute, bringing the left foot forward, but at an angle. So we're sitting in a wide-legged stance, and we've got the right foot on the inside of the left thigh. Inhale to reach all the way up. As you exhale, left hand to right thigh, we're reaching right hand up and over, trying to reach towards our toes, keeping the chest nice and open. So next exhale, slowly come back through center. Right hand comes behind you, pushing your hips up, squeezing the glutes. We lift all the way up. Fallen star variation. Inhale, and as you exhale, slowly release. We come down to the mat. Going to keep moving that left leg all the way around and over the right foot. Going for a little twist, hugging the left knee in with the right arm. Inhale to reach up nice and tall. Exhale, we're twisting to look towards the back of the mat. We're looking over the left shoulder. Inhale here. And as you exhale, slowly release, come back through center. Release that left foot, reaches all the way back towards the back of the mat. Tucking the toes, pressing the hands firmly into the mat. We lift all the way back up, three-legged dog. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, both feet come down to the mat, downward facing dog. We go to the other side. We inhale to lift the left leg. Exhale to open up the hip. As your next inhale, gaze comes forward, we reach that left knee to left elbow. Inhale to send it all the way back. Exhale, left knee to right elbow. Inhale to reach it all the way back. And exhale this time, left knee to left wrist, left foot to right wrist, dropping the shin, releasing the back leg. We inhale in our high pigeon. Exhaling, slowly melt down towards the mat. Forehead comes down to the block. We're down to the mat and we release here. Going for a full round of breath, feeling that space in the outer left glute and into the right hip flexor. Next inhale, lift your gaze, slowly walk your way all the way back up, pressing into your hands. Inhaling as we exhale, we roll onto the left thigh, bringing that right foot towards the side of the mat. I'll show you from this view. So we inhale to reach the hands up. As we exhale, we're going to bring that right hand towards the left thigh, reaching left hand up and over. Trying to keep the chest open. It doesn't matter if we're reaching the toes or not. We want to feel that stretch across the side body. Inhale, as you exhale, slowly come back through center, planting the left hand. We reach the right hand up, squeezing the glutes to lift the hips. Stargazer, and as we exhale, slowly come back to center. We're going to bring that right leg to cross over the left, going for a little twist, wrapping left hand around the right knee and looking over the right shoulder. Going for a twist. Inhale to reach,